What happens if I want to move out of state with my child? Well, if you have a custody order already in place, Michigan law requires you to ask for permission of the court before you can move out of state. In most instances, the other parent is not going to agree to just allow you to move out of state with their child. So there needs to be a certain amount of planning before you make any kind of move like that. Part of that planning involves, what's your reason for moving out of state? What is your plan for moving out of state? Where are you going to go? Is it going to make for a better life for that child? Is a parent moving out of state because they just want to move away from the other parent? Is that parent going to facilitate an ongoing relationship with the other parent if they are given permission to leave the state? Those are all factors that the court will look at very closely, and there has to be a very specific plan for what the parenting time is going to be before a judge will ever allow one parent to move out of the state with the party's child. So that's something that you need to consider way in advance. That's something that needs to be considered far in advance of the actual move. Most judges don't allow a move unless there's some evidence that it is going to be to the benefit of that child. One of the factors is that parent moving for a new job. You need to have that job lined up. You just can't move to another state because you like the weather down there, or you just have heard that that's a good state to move to. You have to have plans for your moving when you want to move. That's called a change of domicile. Anybody that wants to move out of the state of Michigan with their child needs to file a change of domicile motion with the court. It's required by law, and you have to show the court what your reasons are and what your plans are, and give the other parent the opportunity to object to that plan. In many instances, if you're able to communicate with the other parent, it's worthwhile to discuss that possibility, because maybe you can avoid court and you can reach an agreement that can be filed with the court, but you don't have to fight about it in court. But more often than not, the other parent is not just going to agree to allow their child to be moved out of state without permission of the court.